Hi.
I'm Haikal and I want to show you how to make a fancy paper plane. Well, it's an ordinary paper plane, but everything I made will be cool and fancy. All you need is a paper and a hand, of course, a healthy one. First thing first, fold the paper in half vertically and then unfold it. Next, fold each of the top corners into the center line. And again, fold the top edges into the center line. The next step is fold the plane in half towards you. Okay, this is the last part. All you need to do is only fold the wings down. Okay? Then matching the top edges out with the bottom edge of the body. And then that's it. You just made a fancy paper plane. Congratulations. Okay? That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.